In the Species tab, you will find a comprehensive list of tree species eligible for the EWCO grant scheme. You can use the species codes from this list to select the appropriate tree species that align with your woodland project's aims and objectives. Species highlighted in orange represent lesser-known species. Any species you choose should be suitable for your soil type, landscape characteristics, but also must comply with the UK Forestry Standard guidelines. This is your opportunity to combine your desk and field research to ensure you plant the right tree in the right place for the right reason. If you are uncertain, it is recommended that you dig a soil pit and take photos of the soil layers. You can also observe which trees are thriving in the surrounding area and share this information with your woodland officer, who will be able to advise. Once you have chosen your tree species, you can use the Species Breakdown tab to outline your selections. To do this, select the grid reference of the compartment, input the species code from the species list in the previous tab, specify the percentage of that species within the compartment, and define the stocking density of that species for that compartment. There are various factors to consider when it comes to the percentage and stocking density, such as additional contributions. It is advisable to discuss the stocking density and the percentage of a certain species with your woodland officer. Once you have selected your tree species, you will notice the species mix will automatically populate at the top of the screen. In the blue section labelled Woodland Carbon Code, you can use this if you are considering to apply for the Woodland Carbon Code. This is something that we strongly encourage, but once again, please consult with your woodland officer for further guidance. The final section of this tab is under Supplementary Planting. It is relevant if you are planning to use natural colonisation as part of your scheme. You can state the specific details on the expected number of trees and their spacing. But once again, please consult with your woodland officer. You will also notice at the top of the tab the section of lesser known species. For lesser known species included in your EWCO application, you will need to gain approval from the Forestry Commission Resilience Team. This will be part of your EWCO application. It is also worth noting the form will automatically calculate both the net and gross area. The net area refers to the space covered by the trees and excludes open space. The gross area represents the total size of the application. This is important to note, as EWCO payments are based upon the gross area, not the net area. We require the net area to determine how many trees will be planted. There is a lot of information required in this tab, and it is best to consult with your woodland officer to ensure that everything is completed accurately.